Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the JBL Go 2. Now you can buy this on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $40. Now it's available in 12 different colors. So you got red, blue, green, black, yellow, orange. Basically any color you could think of. Alright, so let's check this out. Shout out to White Shoes, back in the building. JBL Go 2. Now this is a waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Let's go through the features. You get 5 hours worth of playtime. It's IPX7 dust and water resistant. And you got a built-in speakerphone for hands-free calling. All right, let's pop this open. Shout out to the little unboxing knife. Watch out, Zerks. Rah. Here we go. Okay. So inside, here's your speaker. Got a little box on the bottom. Let's see what's in here. Frustration level was increasing. Okay. Now this looks like the usual books and shit. Let's just pop them open anyway. Rah. Okay. Usual books. Plug them, file them to the side, and you get your micro USB charging cable. Now, here's your speaker. Now, what's the difference between the JBL Go and the JBL Go 2? Here's the JBL Go. Here's the Go 2. Now, build quality, this one feels a lot better than the original JBL Go. This one has more of a metal feel to it. This one feels like 100% plastic. And the JBL branding is embedded in the same color as opposed to white. Looks a lot nicer. All right, so on the top, here's your power button. You got your Bluetooth pairing button, volume up and down, play and pause. On the bottom, you got these 4 dots. That's going to keep it in place on your table. On one side, here's your flap. Let's open this up. Inside, your 3.5 for non-Bluetooth devices and your micro USB charging slot. That's about it. All right, so let me power this up. I'll grab a phone, we'll pair it up, and we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I got this all paired up, so now let's test it out. Now, once you're powered up, you see you got a little LED light. That'll let you know that it's powered up. All right, so here we go. Max volume. Definitely sounds crystal clear. I actually like it better laying flat. Alright, so this speaker is crystal clear and the sound is amazing. Now for a speaker this small, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. Now if you like the original JBL Go, then you're going to love the JBL Go 2. The sound is about the same, but the build quality is twice as good. Alright, so let's check out the speakerphone. Let's call the 24-hour diner and see what time they close. Let's get some volume.
Hello, USA.
Yes, hi. What time you guys close today?
24 hours and never closed.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot.
All right.
All right. All right, so the speakerphone, that works perfectly. Now let's find out which one sounds better, the JBL Go or the JBL Go 2. Let me grab another phone. We'll pair them both up. We'll use the same phone, same song, same volume. All right, so I got them both paired up using an iPhone. We got the same video with the same song and the same volume. So let's start with the JBL Go. Let's take it over to Bike Life. Max volume. All right, here's the JBL Go 2. All right, here's the JBL Go. Let's try it flat. All right, here's the JBL Go 2. Try it flat. All right, now I'm sitting right in front of these speakers. I can tell you for a fact the JBL Go 2 has a little bit more bass. Now, when you're holding them in your hands, you can definitely feel the bass pumping a little bit more out of the JBL 2, the Go 2. But overall, they pretty much sound identical. For speakers these small, you're going to be blown away. Now, the JBL Go, you can buy this one for $25. If you want to spend a little bit more, get the JBL Go 2 for $40. Way better build quality. And a little bit more bass. Anyway, this is the JBL Go 2. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.